Hey friends, in the WordPress question and answer series video, we are discussing common WordPress error and fix. So this is a 72 video series that includes theory and practical. And in this video, we have a very common requirement, very common fix that you may need to apply on your WordPress website. How to update your PHP version in WordPress or WordPress website basically. So let us dive into this and I'm going to show you the correct method for cPanel. I'll show you the how you can update the PHP version when you are using cPanel. So you might be using other hosting panels like Hostinger and the SiteGround, Bluehost. So there might be different screens, but mainly we are using the cPanel based hosting plan, and I wish to show you the cPanel settings how you can update your PHP version. So the first thing first, how to check which PHP version you are using. So this is a core and fresh installation of WordPress, and I'll show you how you can check which version of PHP you are using. So under Tools menu, you can go to the Site Health. It is available for all the installations of WordPress. Like I'm using a outdated SQL server. It is clearly mentioned here. Like so, my SQL version uh, should be 8.0 or higher, but so I'm showing different things. So we are concerned about the how we can update the PHP version of our WordPress website, because PHP version may cause direct error to WordPress website. However, the SQL may cause error, but mainly SQL is a performance based thing. So you may face difficulty in performance when you are using outdated SQL server. So we should focus on the point. So which PHP version I'm using. So the info is here under site health. You have to click on info, and under server, you can simply check here the PHP version. So I am using the PHP 8.3.13. So it supports the 64-bit values. So as on the current WordPress releases, it is recommended to use PHP minimum. PHP version is 8.3. So if you are not using the PHP version 8.3, your site may face technical difficulties, slow issues, or many more issues. So just upgrade your PHP version, and I'm going to show you how you can simply upgrade your PHP version. So basically update. And this is cPanel hosting panel. So you might be very familiar of this screen. And as I said, you might be using Bluehost hosting panels, H panels, Hostinger, or SiteGround. So all hosting providers give such facilities to upgrade the PHP version. And in cPanel, it is going to be more easy. So I'll show you directly the first thing that you can do for updating the PHP version. So here is the PHP area that you can control. It may not be available in all cPanels depending upon your host features, what your host is providing, but mainly it remains available. What hosting we are providing, it is all available. So you can get your good hosting plan for your WordPress website at WP Themes website. I'll add the link in the video description. Go to the description, explore the things, and get in touch with us. And through I create live chat event. So we are going to help you in every manner for your WordPress website, right? So the first thing is that you can select the PHP version. So if you are selecting here as PHP Selector, if you are using PHP Selector, what it is going to change? It is going to change the core PHP version. So the native version may be 8.8 or 8.2. You can change directly the core that will be applicable to the complete hosting account. But your hosting may have multiple domains, and it is recommended to use one by one by the domain by domain. But the main thing is that when you are controlling from here, like if you are selecting the PHP version 8.3 here, so I can select directly here. You can go for apply directly, and you can change the extension which is available with the selected version. So like if you are using 8.0, just in case, so you can decide which extension is required for your WordPress website. Like so mainly all the extension that is required for WordPress is checked here, but like imagic is required for WordPress, it is unchecked. So you can control the extensions from here. So this is the main use of this screen. And PHP version selector is more puts more direct effect. However, all the methods work fine. So I'll take you to the another method how you can update the PHP. Next option that you can choose here, so MultiPHP Manager, which is more suitable if you or your uh, hosting is having one more than one website. So you can directly change from here. So like the PHP version selector is here, and you can simply select the host, I mean the domain that where you want to change the PHP, and you can simply select the required PHP version and go with the EA PHP that may be with different nomenclature on the other hosting providers, but EA PHP is commonly available, and PHP 8.4 can be selected directly here, and it can be applied directly to the selected domain. Like when you want to change the particular domain, it can be applied directly. For example, I'm going to show you. This is the main method that you can use. So here at PHP version 8.3.13 is being used. And if I wish to change the PHP version for this installation, what I can do directly. So I'll directly go to the PHP MultiPHP Manager, and I'll select the respective domain that I wish to for which I wish to change the PHP version. Like if it is instance 12, so I'll go to the instance 12 and I'll select this, and we'll select PHP version. So 8.3 is already selected. Just to show you, I'm downgrading it because so 8.1 is selected and applied here. So I'll show you. Earlier it was 8.3, and now I'm going to refresh this page. And I'll go to the server again, and now it is 8.2 that is selected. Okay, so we selected 8.2 here, like this is 8.2, and it is applied directly to the website 8.2.25. So it is very simple, but yes, it is very important to keep your PHP version updated according to the requirement of WordPress website. And you can get all the status here, what is required for your WordPress website. But yes, PHP versions should be always updated. So like your site is running on older version of PHP, and it is clearly mentioned the version which should be updated. So when I am updating this, again coming back, and we'll select PHP version 8.3, which is minimal requirement as on date. So you might be watching this video on later date, so there might be different requirements. So I applied the PHP 8.3. Now I'll come back to this screen again, Site Health screen, and we'll refresh this page. This message should be gone, and now it is gone, and only one SQL message is here. And another setting for PHP, what you can do here. So I'll show you the same screen again, near the info screen, and it is very important again. So regarding server, so to how to set the PHP maximum input variables, PHP time limit, PHP memory limit, maximum input time, and upload max file size. So it all can be done in a screen. And so I take you to that particular screen and the area where you can update all these things. This is also very important, and it also impacts the causes the error and impacts the WordPress website performance. So the MultiPHP INI Editor is the option where you have to choose. Like I'm choosing the website, I'm in the domain, and here we can change the parameters. So you can even take a screenshot or a sort of this parameters that we are using for WordPress website. You can keep the same for optimal performance of your WordPress website. And simply once you fill all these parameters, click on apply, it will be applied directly to your WordPress website. So this is a very important fix that you have to check and you have to update. If you are using the old version of PHP, just update it. And if you are using less resources for your PHP version, it should also be updated. So it is very important and you should not miss this for any of your WordPress website. Either it can be for your client or for your own business. And if you are facing any difficulty in doing all these things for your WordPress website, whatever host maybe you are using, irrespective it is not cPanel or having different panel, so just reach us. We are not going to charge anything. It is going to be a free service. You can have a direct chat with WordPress mentors here. I create mentors here, and the live chat can help you. The mentor can help you through the live chat in updating the PHP version for your WordPress website. So it is all for you. And in the next video, I'm coming with more resources, more solutions for you. Till then, goodbye. But don't miss to subscribe the channel. And if you like this video, create a hype and share the video with your concerned ones. Thank you.